Today we'll look at how to install Affinity on your computer, whether it's a Mac or Windows. Now Affinity is free, but be advised you do need a free Canva account in order to use it. So first go to the website affinity.studio, and then click Get Affinity. At some point it will ask you to create a Canva account, but my computer remembers my Canva account, so it's not asking me. And now we have the option to download for Mac or Windows. Let's first look at how to install on Windows. To learn how to install on Mac, go to this timestamp here. So over here we have download for Windows. And if you click the drop down, you'll see there are several options. You probably want Windows, Intel, AMD, the top one. If you have any doubt on Windows, go to the search box and type Settings. Click on System and then go to About. Under Processor, you should see Intel or ARM. Most people have Intel, so that's probably what you'll see. Now, if you're in a corporate or education environment, there may be restrictions on what you can install on your computer. In that case, you can try installing the enterprise versions. They're an exe file. Otherwise, you can just stick to the top two options here, whichever one's relevant to you. So I'll download Windows, Intel, AMD. I'll put it in my Downloads folder. And then when it's downloaded, I'll simply go to that folder, double click on it, and let it install. Once it's done, I can start it up. And again, it may ask you to sign in for Canva if you've never done that before. And once you do that, you're good to go. Now, a little bonus tip for Windows users, it might not have put a desktop icon for Affinity on your computer. If not, click the Windows icon down here. And under Recommended, you will see the Affinity icon if you recently opened it. Click and drag the Affinity icon onto your desktop, and you're ready to go. Now let's look at Mac. So once again, I'm on the download page here. I'll press download for macOS, and it'll start to download. Once it's done, you can go to the download folder, double click on affinity.dmg, click the icon, drag it over applications, and it will install. From here, you can go to your applications folder, double click the icon. You can verify that you want to open it the first time, and it will start. If you've never used it before, it'll probably ask you to log into Canva, so you can do that. One quick tip I'll give you is if you want to create a shortcut on your desktop, just select this icon here from your applications folder, click and drag it onto your desktop there, and then you can easily access Affinity anytime you want. Now, if you're new to Affinity and you want to learn it from the ground up, check out my beginner course. It contains over 90 lessons covering everything from vectors and photos to text effects and adjustments. No experience in design software is required. I'll put a link in the description below.